Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the strong 300S Wi-Fi repeater using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, plug the strong 300S into a wall socket near your router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until power LED becomes solid/stable. Wi-Fi LED starts blinking slowly. This means the repeater is ready for setup. Now on the router, look for a button labeled WPS. It might be on the side, back, or front panel. Press the WPS button on your router once. The router's WPS light will begin blinking. This means the router is searching for a device to pair with. You now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Press the WPS button on the repeater. The repeater's LED will start blinking fast. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, repeater copies your Wi-Fi name password automatically. LEDs may blink several times. When LED becomes solid, connection is successful. Confirm connection. After connection, check repeater signal LED. Green or strong means good connection. Red or weak means move closer to router. Check your phone Wi-Fi list. You may see your Wi-Fi name with _ext added. Connect to this extended network. Unplug the repeater. Move it halfway between router and weak signal area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.